what's going on, guys? I wanted to share this little lick that I like to do if I'm ever playing over a minor chord. In this case here, I'm playing over the B minor, so I'm assuming that I'm in the key of B minor, or B Aeolian. And this is great for using the Pentatonic box. A lot of you probably already know this box, but I'm just going to go over it real quick. Here's the scale. It's going to start on the 7th fret, going down. We're going 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 10, 7, 10. Okay, it works really well over that B minor chord. Now what I'm doing there for that lick that I was just doing, I'm going to start with the 8th fret here. So I'm doing a descending sort of line. The first four notes are descending. Then I'm going to bring the index finger down and roll